In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage multiple suggestions in Grammarly, especially focusing on the option to accept grouped suggestions all at once. Let's dive into the options and limitations you might encounter while using Grammarly's features to streamline your editing process. First, let's talk about what you can do to accept multiple suggestions in the Grammarly editor, either via the app or the web platform. If you are working with grouped suggestions, you might notice that Grammarly has a feature specifically designed for handling multiple suggestions, called bulk suggestion acceptance. This is particularly common with correctness issues, where the system is quite confident about the necessary adjustments. When suggestions are grouped this way, you will find an Accept button on these grouped cards. Clicking this button applies multiple high-confidence suggestions at once, which can save you a significant amount of time. It's worth noting that to take advantage of this feature, your account settings must have the Suggestion Bundles enabled. This is dependent on your subscription level, specifically for premium or business users. Now, there might be instances where the suggestions are not grouped, or perhaps you do not have access to the Suggestion Bundles feature due to your account type. In these cases, you will have to manually handle each suggestion one by one. This means clicking on each suggestion card as it appears and selecting Accept if it meets your expectations. If you come across suggestions that don't align with your writing intentions, you also have the option to dismiss them. To streamline the process even further, you can customize your Grammarly experience by turning off certain types of suggestions altogether. If there are particular suggestions you consistently accept or find unnecessary to review, consider deactivating them directly from your Grammarly suggestions settings. Categories like Oxford comma or passive voice can be turned off, as these are typically available in the premium or business subscriptions. By doing this, Grammarly will no longer show suggestions from these categories, reducing the number of items you need to review or accept. To sum up, while Grammarly currently doesn't offer a universal Accept All Suggestions button across platforms, utilizing the available bulk suggestion acceptance can greatly enhance your workflow. Customizing which suggestions you view can further tailor the editing experience to your specific needs. With these tips in mind, you can effectively manage suggestions in Grammarly, making your editing process faster and more personalized. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.